Hey there, I'm Lily with ClassHero. Did you know that ClassHero has audio language support for over 30 languages? This is an excellent way to help ELL students and those in language immersion programs make the most of learning math with ClassHero. And just like other features within ClassHero, the language settings can be customized for each student individually or for your entire class. Let me show you how to use them. First, navigate to your class settings located to the right of your Rewards tab. Here, you'll find the language settings located next to your class details. Next, figure out whose settings you want to change. As I mentioned, there are two different ways to edit your language settings, as a class or individually. To change the language for your entire class, click on the Edit Language Settings button under the Immersion Language section. Then click on the slider to enable the Immersion Language settings. You will have the option to choose when and how ClassHero uses this language setting, on specific days of the week, and whether you'd like to apply it to audio, display text, and Khan Academy instructional videos. Currently, the display text can only be applied for English, while the Khan Academy videos work for English and Spanish. You can also choose to override the individual language settings you have applied. Once you have made your changes, make sure to hit the Save Changes button. To change the language for individual students, you'll navigate to the English Language Learners section and select the Edit EL Learners button. From here, you will be able to scroll through your class roster, find your student, and select the desired language settings for them individually. And that's it. Hope you found this video useful, and as always, please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.